Good afternoon. Sit down. So, how are you? You are fine? Okay. You'll be more fine when you'll eat fruits. You'll be very healthy. You'll be very healthy. What are these? What are these? Fruits. Do you eat fruits? Yes. Okay. Which is your favorite fruit? Which is your apple? An apple a day keeps a doctor away. If you will eat apple, you will not fall sick. Bukhar nahi hoga. You will not fall sick. You will be healthy. And which is your favorite fruit? Mango. This is mango. What is this? Mango. This is mango? Yes. Who loves mango? I also love mango. What is the color of this mango? Yellow. Yellow? And when will you get this? You will get this. In which season do you get this? No. Garmi, what do you call Garmi? Summers. You get mango in summers. And it is very juicy. Is it juicy? Yes, yummy. Is it sweet? It is sweet. And little sour. Thoda sa khatta. Thoda sa meetha. So it's sweet and sour. This is mango. And you said apple. Oh my God, we have apple. What is this? Apple. This is an apple. This is an apple. Now just see this apple and tell me what is the color of apple? Red. Red and green. Green and yellow. This is apple. Have you seen plastic apple? Have you ever seen plastic apple? It is either absolutely red or yellow. And what do you like? Which fruit do you like, beta? Which fruit do you like? Banana. Do you like banana? What is the color of banana? Yellow. Yellow. But when you want to eat, you have to peel this. And which color comes? White. What is the color of banana? It's from inside, this is white. And from outside it is yellow. And from inside it is white. How many of you like banana? Me too. I also love banana. You love banana? Oh wow. And which is your favorite fruit?
Orange.
Orange. Where is orange? Show me where is orange. This is orange. This is orange. Which one is orange? This one is orange. This one is orange. And orange, how do you eat orange? Orange हम लोग कैसे खाते हैं? And you get a slice and you eat. It's very juicy, na? It's very juicy. Okay, even I have something. I want to ask you, what is this? What is this? What is this? Coco? Coconut. Coconut. What is this? Can you see this? What is this? No, not color. What is this? Hair. You have hair? Even coconut has hair. See, this is coconut hair, and when you will peel off this, you will get a nut. No, you will get nut. You will take off this hair, you will take off this, then you will get nut. And then you will break it and you will get, it will be white coconut, white coconut. You eat that, na? Okay, I have one more thing I want to ask. What is this? Who loves papaya? Everybody loves papaya. Wow. And what is the color? Can you see it? What is the color? And Little green. Little green. And from inside, do you get seed in this? Do you have seed in this? Seed, bead. Do you get seed in this? And you take off, you eat that seed? No, you don't eat that seed. You take out that seed and eat? Seed khate? No, we take out, we throw them. We throw them in the dustbin and then we eat papaya. It's good, no? It's very good for your stomach. Papaya is very good for your stomach. You should eat papaya. And I have something else. And I know all of you, you love them. And what is this? Guava. Guava. And you love it? No, you love this? Yes. You like to eat this? Yes. Where do you get this guava? Where do you get? No, where do you get? It's on the tree? The tree is near your house? You go towards that tree and you pick up a stone and tuck and guava is down. And you bring it for your teacher. Auntie, for you. Do you do that? Do you do that? You bring it for auntie? Okay, what is this? What is this? Guava. Speak loudly, what is this? Guava. And what is the color? Green. It's green and yellow? Yes. No? Yes. This is green and yellow. Okay. And I have one more thing. What is this? Pear. Where is pear? Can you see? Is it same to same? Yes. Yes. Pear. What is it? What is this? Pear. And what is the color of this pear? Green. And what is the color of this pear? Yellow. Yellow. But this is pear. What do you call it? Pear. Pear. Okay, one more thing. And I have, what is this? Can you match this? Where is this? Who will do it? Match. Where is this? Oh, is it same to same? Yes. And what is this? What do you call this? What do you call it? What is the name of this fruit? Pomegranate. What is it? Pomegranate. What is it? Pomegranate. And what is the color? Red. And when you take off, what do you get? Small, small? What do you get from this? Small, small seeds. अनार में लाल लाल दाने होते हैं, small small seeds, and you eat those seeds. वो तो खा जाते हैं. We eat those seeds, but we don't eat seed from papaya. We don't eat seed. इसका बीज नहीं खाते हैं. We eat this seed. हाँ, right? Okay. And do we have seed in this? Banana में seed होता है? Do we have seed? No, it doesn't have. Okay. And what about apple? Do we have seed in this? And do we eat seed? No seed. हम इसका seed भी फेंकते हैं ना? इसका seed भी फेंक, पर हम इसका seed, we eat this seed. What do we do? We eat this seed, the seed of pomegranate. We eat the seed. And we don't eat the seed of apple or papaya. We don't eat. Okay? And now we'll see the chart. What is there? Which is this fruit? Apple. Then? Mango. Then? Orange. Then? Pomegranate. Then? This is, you know, mosmi. Mosmi खाते हो? This is, in English we call it grapefruit. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is mosmi. What do you call in Hindi? Mosmi. But in English it is grapefruit. What is it?
Grapefruit.
Very good. Then grapes. What is this? Grapes. Then guava. Then no. What is this? हाँ बोलो. Speak. Come on, come on, come on. What is it? Tell me what is this? Chiku.
Chiku.
Then peach.
Peach.
Peach. In Hindi you call aadu.
Adu.
In Hindi you call aadu, but in English this is peach.
Peach.
Peach. Say peach.
Peach.
Then pear.
Pear.
Then blackberry. Blackberry. Everybody, blackberry. Once again, blackberry.
Blackberry.
And what is blackberry? Jamun. Blackberry. You like jamun? You like blackberry? So remember the name. Jamun, in English we say blackberry. Again,
Berry.
what is this?
Blackberry.
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 Very good. And now let me see, what is this?
Strawberry.
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 Strawberry on the cake.
Yes,
Strawberry on the cake.
auntie.
And what is this? Lychee. What is this?
Lychee.
Lychee. And now this. What is this? In English we call musk melon.
Muskmelon.
Kharbuza in English we say musk melon.
Muskmelon.
Once again, musk melon.
Muskmelon.
And musk melon means kharbuza. Musk melon.
Muskmelon.
And what is this?
Coconut.
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 See, this is brown, same to same like this.
Yes,
And we open it and what is it? White, right? And then we have watermelon.
Watermelon.
What is the color of watermelon?
Green.
And from inside it is red. And then papaya. Papaya.
Papaya.
And then we have
Pineapple.
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 This is also very juicy. Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Right?
Yes,
You love the fruits?
yes,
That's why you people are so healthy, because everybody loves fruit. So you should eat fruit and be healthy. You should be
healthy.
When you will eat fruits and vegetables, you will be
Healthy.
okay. Now we'll meet in the other class. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, class. Thank you.